What's up, you guys? Today I got 3 racks of ribs and we're gonna try it with 3 different binders and the Dano's Primo because I've never had it on ribs, so we're gonna try it today. All right, our first binder is Maddie's hot sauce. Met Maddie out in LA on Venice Beach and he was out there sampling his hot sauce. So this one is his Indian hot sauce. He's got all kinds of crazy ingredients in here, so we're gonna try this one on number 1. All right, you can see we got a nice coating on there. We should definitely be able to taste that. Next up, we got one of the International Flavor Award winners. This is Death by Garlic, made by Earthquake Spices. I met Heather in Syracuse, New York. She came up to me and she was like, oh my gosh, you inspired me to start my own business. So that's gonna be our number 2. Next up, we got Captain Demo. I met Captain Demo, well, through a friend. And so he started his own hot sauce. He's up in Chicago. And I told him, I said, send me a box, I'll try it. So he sent me this. It's spicy, it's truffly, it's awesome. All right, I'm gonna go on and say, just by the visual, I'm gonna say that we're gonna be able to taste the Maddie's a little bit more because it is a thicker, more of a thicker hot sauce. So, not saying it's better, I'm just saying it's a little bit thicker. So now, it's time for the next step. Dano's Primo. We're gonna sprinkle generously. What I want you to see is the black ingredients. We're using real black salt, black garlic, black cumin seeds, poppy seeds. What else? Black pepper. That's right. So we can sprinkle generously, but it's not packed full of salt like most seasonings out there. So you can definitely get a good coating on there to where you get to taste the herbs and the spices and the seasoning and not just a bunch of salt. And keep in mind, there's no sugar. All right, now we're gonna flip them over and do it again. Typically I would have seasoned the bone side first, but I didn't want to just show you me seasoning bones. Flip it over and season the bone side. More sauce. So that was one brand new bottle of Dano's Primo. Looks like I got a little bit left. Put that on my scrambled eggs. All right, let's get them on our smoker. All right, they're on. We got it set to 225 degrees. All right, y'all, it's been 3 hours. We're gonna go on and cut us off a couple bones here. Look at that, nice and juicy. We're just trying this straight up. We'll end up throwing these in the foil, but I just wanted to try these straight up. They're cooked, not falling off the bone yet. We'll have to put them back on, do the 3-2-1 method. But let's give it a try. Wow, I was gonna throw them back on the smoker, but the reality is there's no need for it. These were absolutely amazing. Check it out. This was Maddie's, the Indian hot sauce. Juicy, look at that. Nice and juicy. You got that Dano's crust on there. I'm telling you what, that's amazing. Totally taste the sauce. The black pepper in the Dano's Primo stands out. Check that out. Super juicy. I'm telling y'all what, you got to try the Primo on some ribs. That is crazy good. Wow. If you want these to fall off the bone, you can take them back outside, wrap them in some foil. But these are absolutely perfect the way they are. Yeah, they're not falling off the bone, but that, you can taste a little bit of that truffle in there. The Primo. My friends, get you some Dano's Primo. Yum yum, get you some. Give that a try. That is a game changer. Try those hot sauces. Thank you to the hot sauces for providing your flavor today. And wow, hope y'all enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling.